melons, 237 watermelons, 148 cantaloupes, 165 honeydew melons. What is the difference between the amount of watermelons and cantaloupes Lydia sells? Now, before we read, who is the problem about?
Lydia.
Lydia. What is Lydia doing?
She's selling watermelon.
She's selling, oh, I like that. She's selling fruit, and you're going to say she's selling.
So what is Lydia doing in the farmer's market?
Cantaloupes and
Selling what?
melons.
Okay, so all of those are different types of fruits. All right, very good. All right, so go ahead and put a check for the first time we've read it.
So we got different types of melons, right?
So we got
That's
Now,
fine.
what is the
All right,
question
Genesis, go ahead and read it the
being
second
asked?
time.
You
Let's
write
track it
first
with your
time,
finger,
right?
pencils
Look
down.
for information and circle it and underline. Do that right now. Circle the question and underline the important
At
information.
the local farmers market, she sells the following melons: 237
That's okay. Watermelons. Go ahead, you're doing good. Keep going.
What is
watermelons,
question and underline important information. Circle the
148
question.
cantaloupes,
You see question.
165 honeydew
Honeydew
Those
melons.
questions, Aiden?
melons.
Is that important information?
What is the difference between
Should we circle important information?
watermelons
Come on, Aiden, I need you to be awake from me, buddy.
All right, let's go ahead and put an XR check for the second time.
The question being asked.
And then put our pencils down. All right, again, who is our problem about? Lydia. What is Lydia doing?
She's selling fruit.
She's selling fruit. What kind of fruit is she selling?
Watermelon, cantaloupes, honeydew.
Okay. All right, so we got three different types of fruits that she's selling. Or three different, we haven't gotten there yet. All right, go ahead.
Lydia is selling
What's the question? Look for the where's the question?
You should be tracking with your finger.
market. She sells
So go back to the beginning of that sentence. That's what it says.
237
Does
watermelons,
that make sense? That's when you
148
don't define the question. Almost
160
all of our questions have
melons.
information.
What is the difference
So,
the amount of watermelons and cantaloupes Lydia sells?
All right, very good.
all right.
All right, so let's go ahead and check off. Hold on, sweetheart. Hold on. Let's go ahead and check off our third time. All right, so the first part of our C, we've read our problem 3 times. We need to restate the question in our own words. Let's look at the question. What is the question? You tell me what the question is.
Cantaloupe, Lydia, sells.
You shouldn't be writing yet.
Circled. I'm not
You
sure
shouldn't be
why I'm not
writing yet.
circled.
She sells.
What is the question?
Question. Is Lydia is selling?
Read the question, sweetheart. What is the question? Question starts with either a what, how, when, where, or why. That's what your question starts with.
That's important.
What? You said.
The question, a question starts with what,
Doing. So we're doing
when,
the verb
why,
start. What is she
how,
doing?
or when.
Selling, right? So that's gonna help us later. What does she sell with watermelon? Tell me.
Difference.
Is that important? Okay. What about cantaloupes? Okay. What about the honeydew melon?
Very good. All right. So now, let's restate our question. I'm going to write on the actual table so you all can see. All right? So the question, what are we trying to find out? What are we trying to find out?
Sometimes you might have
Trying to find out like what
question and evaluate. We don't need it, do we?
so we can write
So let's
what it.
Okay, stop for a moment.
Line.
Question. What is the question asking us to find out? Listen to what I'm saying. What is the question asking us to find out? Circle your question first. Circle your question. Everybody should circle your question. Circle your question. Circle your question.
A light line through 165 mils. If you don't need it, it doesn't ask it, does it? Is it including milk? The honeydew melon?
I'm not ready for important information. I just want the question first. So what are we trying to find out? I'm trying to find out what? What you just circled. What are we trying to find out?
So what am I looking for? So let's do our I am looking for and write the question.
Okay, difference between what? What fruit?
I am looking for. And then what are we gonna write? What are we gonna write? I am looking for.
I am trying to find. Right here, baby. Right here. I am trying to find
Difference
out what We're restating the question in our own
Clean,
words.
so get that written
That's
quick.
what this first
It's right
part
there.
says. Restate the question in our own words. That's what we're doing first. I am trying to
Between
find out what is the
the amount
difference
watermelons
between
and cantaloupes.
the amount of watermelon
We have about 7.5 minutes left. We should be on to the basically on the planning section / solve section.
Keep writing,
I think there's a little hint. As yesterday, we used some words. Think about the strip diagram we used yesterday and read that problem very carefully and see if you can figure a connection.
Do the best you can. Well, you got the question right here, sweetheart. Difference between
All right.
the amount.
So we've got that, right? Now what's our verb unit chart? Let's look at our verb unit chart. We have verb and unit. What? You're almost done? You gotta get a little faster there. Okay, finishing up.
Question right here, sweetie. I just rewrote the question. That's fine, if you're right, I am trying to find, that's fine.
All right. What is the verb? What is she doing with these? What is she doing? Selling. So we can put sell on all of them, right? How many important information do we have? 2 or 3?
2.
2, right? We crossed one out. Yes.
On a comparison, the difference
Huh?
is the difference.
Yes. I like that. We're gonna talk about that. So there's an important word. He just said there's an important word. We're gonna share that until we're done with the unit chart, and then we're gonna come back to you for that what that word was. Okay? So she's selling and selling, right? What's the first one? She sold how many what? How many? How many? 237. Guess what? I'm not gonna be able to fit watermelons in there, so I'm gonna just put W-A-T. Does that make sense? Because that tells me it's watermelons, right? I'm never gonna fit watermelons in that little space. You might not either. Now, what's the next thing she sold?
Cantaloupe,
How many?
148.
How many did she sell? Amaya, how many did she sell?
She sold 148.
148, and we're just gonna put C-A-N-T. That's where I run out of room.